Hi friends, this video shows how to install Netflix app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to Media tab. Select Media tab from top left corner. Then go to left. Select All Apps. Now we are inside All Apps. Here we can use this search field on right side. Then here we can search for Netflix, or go back. Under All Apps, go down. Here in this video and music apps list, we can select and find Netflix. Let me select this Netflix app. Then select this download button. Done. So now it's downloading Netflix app. Please wait. Okay, installation completed. Netflix ready to use. Let me go back. Now go to Media tab. See, now here we can see Netflix. From here we can directly open Netflix, or we can go to app library. Here we can see all installed apps. From here we can select Netflix, then select start. This way also we can open installed Netflix app. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.